Hi, welcome back to Tiny Garage Fabrication. Today we're out in the country with my rad old van, and we're going to run some tests to see if exhaust resonators really do anything and if they're worth the money. Let's go for a ride. Alright, so here we go. Got the exhaust off here. I've got a little square mounted up. I got this thing secured by just the flange, so it should be pretty straight. From here I can measure where I need to cut, add my adapters as applicable. And these are going to need to be modified as well. Let me talk about the muffler I got. This is a total flow. It's 2-inch in, 2-inch out. Build is stainless steel, but as you can see, that may not be completely true. I got this on Amazon. It was like 35 bucks. So far, pretty decent muffler. I don't really can't complain about the sound. I welded these exhaust hangers on it with a MIG welder with regular wire, so they're still holding, which kind of goes to prove that it may not be real stainless steel. But for the price, I'm not complaining. Now for the resonator, I've got this here, the Vibrant Ultra Quiet. Now this is a 2 1/4 inch inlet. That is the smallest size that they had. Now the majority of my piping is 2-inch, so I need adapters to go up and then back down. Let's take a look at this thing. Now it is all stainless steel construction, T304, corrosion resistant, designed to dampen noise, drone, things like that. So this is what we're looking at. Nice little can. It's just under 14 inches long, 2¼ inch inside diameter. Really good construction, great welds there, and seems like a pretty good piece. It's got a fairly straight through design, which should be good. I don't know how effective it's going to be because this is larger than the rest of the pipe, so it's going to go from small to kind of big and then back small again. I don't know. We'll see what happens.
You lie to yourself at times, now you're falling apart. Soon giving in is time, 'cause we're falling apart. Love didn't find your heart. Lies didn't count at all. Love didn't find your heart. Silence didn't count, it tears us apart. Lie to yourself at times, now you're falling apart. Some giving in this time, 'cause we're falling apart. Lie to yourself at times, now you're falling apart. Some giving in this time, 'cause we're falling apart.
Well, that wraps it up. I think that was a pretty decent test. I would say that exhaust resonators, especially this vibrant ultra quiet resonator, definitely does something. Granted, this is a 2-liter 4-cylinder with what I would call a full exhaust. It has the cast manifold into small diameter piping into the original catalytic converter, and then I put in the resonator, a little bit more pipe at 2-inch this time to the stainless muffler, and it's a fairly big muffler, and it exits right at the rear of the bumper. So really I have as full of an exhaust as you can have on this thing. The resonator certainly didn't take away from the exhaust volume. As you heard with the side-by-side, it took away a little bit of the pop that it had to it. I think it smoothed it out a whole lot. And then ultimately, riding around inside the vehicle on acceleration and then at a steady cruise at 65, 70 miles per hour, you can tell that it definitely decreased the drone inside the cabin. Not by a whole lot, but enough that I do think it'll make a difference. I should be able to listen to my stereo now without cranking it up so much that I will blow speakers like I did last week. I blew a dash speaker because I just had to listen to it so loud to hear really anything going on. I'll really be putting this resonator to the test after a while. I am going to do an engine swap on this van, and I will keep that resonator, and I think with the new engine it may definitely need all the help that it can get, and I will be running full 2¼ inch piping front to rear, so I think I'll be able to maximize the efficiency of the system by, you know, not having to step up the resonator then choke it back down. So like I said, I'm pleased with the way that it turned out. Definitely going to keep it. It was worth the work that I did. It was worth the money that I spent on it. Now, to see more projects like this, as well as full custom vehicle builds like the one I've got going on Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click the like button if you think this was useful. Leave me a comment if you think I could have done anything a little bit better, or if you think it was a complete waste of time. That's it for now. I'm going to enjoy my quieter ride home, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks, everybody.
You lie to yourself at times, now you're falling apart. Soon